This is how buying one rental property can change your life forever. If you have a single rental property, you are setting yourself up for a ton of financial success long term. But it all starts with one, and this is why. Hey guys, Andrew here again, sharing this message with you because I've seen the power in my own life of what one rental property can do. I promise you, if you just buy one and go from there, you are going to be further ahead than the majority of people in terms of a financial kind of backing that you're going to have in your life. And for me, I'm just a regular guy trying to buy back my life through investing. I love investing. I love teaching people things. That's why I make these videos. So I'm sharing with you today. Hopefully you can learn something, and I promise you're going to get some information today in this video. When you buy a rental property, you're going to protect yourself from inflation. When the price of things go up, when interest rates increase, those tend to increase the value of rental properties as well around you. Maybe not necessarily right away, because there can be pullbacks from people not buying, but eventually the properties have historically gone up in value faster than job growth, faster than inflation, faster than all these different things. It's a protection of your wealth if you buy a rental property, because it is going to be there long term. It's brick and mortar, it's not going anywhere, and they're not making any more land, as they say. So the land that you're building on, the land that you have in your possession, is what really matters. In the future, you're also going to be able to lend against that property, which means that you're going to be able to take money out of it and then go and use that to buy other things in your life. If you want to buy another property, if you want to go on vacation, if you want to buy a car, whatever it may be, you can then use your asset as your base of money or your bank, and you can then take the money out of that asset and use it to live your life your way on your terms. And this is the big thing that I see people miss all the time. They think they have to get one property, then two, then three, then four, then five. Well, just get one and start and see how it goes, how it feels. If you like it, then grow. If you don't like it, it's not for you, that's fine. You still have this great asset that holds its value. Well, you can then sell off in a couple of years and make your money back, and hopefully a little bit more. But you also have someone in there paying rent to you every month, and that's just paying down the mortgage for you. So every time you get a monthly rent payment and the first month comes and you pay the mortgage, you're building a little bit of equity every single time that happens. My favorite day of the month is the first day, because I know the mortgage get paid down a little bit and a little bit more money is coming to my account. I'm getting a little bit richer, a little bit wealthier every single day. And I'm using somebody else's money to do that. And in return, I'm providing a valuable service to them. I'm providing them good quality housing, so they're not kind of paying for like a slummy kind of property. That's not what I believe. That's not who I am as a person. I want to provide value for value, make this a win-win. And if you do that, you can then start building up a little bit of equity month by month. And by the time you fast forward a year, 2, 3, 4, 5 years down the road, you have this nice pot of equity you can then pull from, and again, live life on your terms using this kind of stock and cash flow instead of relying on your day-to-day 9-to-5 income. The other thing that I think people just don't understand is that you can leverage to use real estate. You don't have to put down 100% of the purchase price. When you're going to buy a property, you can put down 0, 5, 10, 20, 15, depending on the deal and how you structure it. You can get all outside money to fund the deal. You can kind of get creative and fund it with your own money and someone else's money. You can do so many different things with real estate. You can have burrs where you kind of put all your money and take it all back out in a couple months after the repairs are done. And just, there's so many ways to do it. But if you just kind of get your skin in the game and just buy one property, you're going to get exposed to these things and deal with these kind of problems to level yourself up as a human being, as an investor. You're going to become more well-rounded because of it, and because you decide to take that step to bettering yourself by buying one rental property. So the moral of this video is, again, to just start with one, see how it feels, see how it goes, try to your best to kind of get educated, then jump right into it, and you're going to learn along the way. You're probably going to make some mistakes. I definitely did when I started. I made a ton of mistakes, and some of them cost me money, some of them didn't. Some of them cost me a lot of time and agony and effort, but I pushed through. And now today I'm at a point where I can kind of teach others and give you kind of this message, because I've done it. I've built up a portfolio of properties. I'm doing it day to day, looking for more deals all the time. And I want to just share this message with you because I think it's important. And don't be too kind of scared off by the fact you have to have more than one property. Just start with one property, or even partner with somebody. Get in one deal and just see how it feels, see how it goes. Go from there and build your way to success through real estate investing. I appreciate you guys checking out the video today. And if you guys want to check out my entire $2 million portfolio, check out this next video right here. If you guys got some value today, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one.